Okay, hi guys. I know it's been a long time since I made a video. That's because I'm moving and I'm not going to tell you where I moved because it's none of your business. And I'm down in my basement. So over here it's just talking, blah blah blah. And I finally have internet! Awesome. And I only have 4 diamonds. Okay, that stinks. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's go. My sister. Ash, stop it. Guys, stop it. So weird. Oh my goodness, this place is like empty. Why is it glitchy? I hate it when it's glitchy. Did y'all see that? He's like frozen. Like, no. I want to eat this tiger. So no. Okay, that was just weird. Well, thanks for watching. I know it's short. I'll make more videos later. Adios. Gotta go to school now. Just joking. It's like 10:12. Ta-da. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.